In my previous video, we have seen an amazing Excel function which is called flash fill. If you haven't seen the video, check out the video, link in description. In this video, I want to share with you a couple of examples where we can use the flash fill. This is an amazing trick. Make sure you watch the video till the end. I have taken a couple of sample data. So first, we will try to see how we can combine the names using this flash fill option. Now I'm going to write the first name and the second name with a space and then enter. After that, I'm going to apply the flash fill under the data. Click on flash fill. See the magic. The remaining data were automatically filled up. Now let's move to the next option. Here I'm going to create email ID for these employees. So for that, I need to write their names @ domain name. So I write the first name dot the second name. Okay, it should be the same as what we have entered in the first name and second name field. Let me pause for a second here. So a couple of things which we need to note while applying a flash fill. Flash fill work perfectly with the pattern. So Excel looks at the different pattern which is available next to that field which we are entering. You can try for different permutation and combination as long as you are following the pattern. Now let me complete the cells by typing @ the domain name. Here I'm giving as clickforknowledge.com. Enter, then go to data and apply flash fill. It will save tons of your time and improve your data entry skills. Now let's go to the third sheet where I have first name, second name and age of the employees is given. Here I'm looking for a specific format. I want the first name and second name together and then in bracket the age of those employees. So make sure you're entering the name as which is given in the first and second column, right? It should exactly match what you've written there. Then I put the bracket and put the age and close the bracket. Now I'll apply the flash fill. See the magic. See, all the other fields follow the same pattern which is written in the first cell. Now let's move to the next sheet. Here I want to apply the proper case for these alphabets. I'm going to write what I'm looking for. I'll keep the first letter as a capital letter, remaining letter as small letter and enter. After that I'll apply the flash fill. See, it follows all the patterns which I have entered in the first cell. Next example is a bit tricky one. How different products names is there. So I want to keep the initial in the second column. For that I am going to write the initial P and then apply the flash fill. But see, it doesn't capture what I'm looking for. It captures the first letter of all these products, so which I don't want. So you need to teach Excel what you're looking for. So I give the next letter N, and now I'm going to apply the flash fill. See here now. So it captures the exactly what I'm looking for. So make note of these things while you are applying the flash fill. Okay, next example is more about the numbers, like how we can use or format the numbers. So I have the mobile numbers of the staffs here, so but I want in a different format. So I'm going to write it here what I'm looking for. So I'm going to write the numbers with a hyphen in between. Okay, so I want all the number in the same format. So I'm going to apply the flash fill. See, it's automatically comes with the same format which I'm looking for. I'll just copy and paste it here and use it. I hope this video is helpful. Please make sure you share with your friends and also subscribe my channel to get more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you next week.